Hello friends, my name is G.kumar. I have been teaching civil service for more than 3 years. Now I am running at my own institute named as Kranti Civil Service Academy. In previous video, I discussed about strategy and necessary things which need to follow in order to crack UPSC examination. In this video, I will talk about the syllabus of prelims examination. Before discussing the prelims examination, I would like to tell you about the stages, exam pattern of UPSC. In UPSC, you have to cross 3 stages. You have to follow 3 stages. First stage is your prelims, preliminary examination. Second one is your mains, and third one is your interview round. That is your personality test. In first examination, that is your prelims, you have to give 2 papers. GS1 and second one is your CSAT. In GS1, before discussing the contents, I would like to talk you about marks distribution. Both paper consist of 200 marks each, and in first paper you have to perform very good as per the requirements, and second paper you just only need to get pass 33% out of your 200 marks. Okay, my friends. So I know every contents in my fingertip, but not in a chronological manner. So I am using my laptop in order to tell you in a sequence manner. So my friends, I am using my resources. First one under GS paper 1, that is your current events of national and international events or importance. This content is totally related to your current affairs. You have to be very good at current affairs. You have to be very analytical. You have to know about current happenings across India, across world. Okay, that belongs to your content number 1. That is current events of national and international importance. Second one is your history of India and Indian national movement. This part is totally belong to your modern India. If you see in paper 1, mains paper 1, you will cover these things also there. You can cover these things there also. Okay, history of India. What is the history of India? How there is a social contribution, Renaissance, Bengal Renaissance, modern India, everything you will cover in mains paper also. Third one, Indian and world geography. That must consist of physical, social, economic, geography of India and as well as your world. Means you should be very good at your geography, okay, physical, social, economic and other aspects of geography that must relate with your agriculture, your environment. And in order to get these things, you need to follow NCERT book of class 11 and class 12 of geography. Okay, let's look at number 4 contents. That is the Indian polity and governance. It is all about your constitution, political system, panchayati raj, public policy, right issues, etc. In Indian polity, you know, fundamental rights, DPSP, working of parliament, judiciary, everything you will come to know. Governance means delivery of scheme by the government structure. Okay, like NGNREGA, like other yojana, other schemes. And you have to also know about constitution, as I told you earlier also. Constitution is all about your setup, judicial, executive, political setup, panchayati raj system under the 73rd and 74th Amendment Act 1992. There is a 3-tier government. One belongs to your union, second one is your state, and third one is your local system, that is your municipality as well as your panchayati raj institution. Third one is your public policy. You know, we have to frame public policy in order to address the weaker sections of population as well as other sections of population as well. Second one is right issues. It may consist of your intellectual property rights and other rights also, rights for minority, etc. Now look at the different contents. That is your economic and social development. That that is your sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiative, etc. In this content, you have to read about sustainable development. As you know, friend, sustainable development, it means you have to utilize resources, but not in a random manner. You have to use in a wise manner so that next generation can also be get benefited from the resources. Okay, poverty, here we can bring the role of Tendulkar Committee, World Bank Committee, World Bank report of World Bank. Inclusion, the growth should be inclusive. All the section of society should come under the mainstream. That is the motto of this topic. Demographics. Population should not be acted as a burden. It should provide asset. How one population can generate, how population can become asset. It is only through your massive skill development, through quality education and other means also, and social sector initiatives. There are so many social sector initiatives like your engineering and other things also to address the grievances of your poor people, unprivileged people, SC, ST and other sections as well. And last one that belongs to your prelims paper 1, that is your GS1, that is your general issues on environment, ecology, biodiversity and climate change. That do not need specialization. That means you have to be very familiar with environmental ecology. What is ecology? What is the environment? How it impacts biodiversity? You have to be very good at these things. Climate change is the one of the hottest topic which are circulating nowadays in India, not only in India but across the world. Look, see Paris Treaty 2015, and we often see lot of treaties after 2015. Okay, my friend, but that do not need your specialization. You have to be very simple. You don't need to do PhD. Okay, my friends. So paper 1 consists of your 200 marks and you have to perform very good in order to crack the primary examination. Now we'll move towards second paper, that is your CSAT. And in CSAT, the main purpose of CSAT is to test your aptitude, to test your comprehension, to test your skill development. Okay, number 1, contents of your CSAT paper, comprehension. You have to comprehend the things, you have to comprehend the readings, you have to infer the passages. Second one, your interpersonal skills, including your communication skills. You should have very good at communication skills. Third one, logical reasoning and your analytical ability. You have to be very quick at your minds, through your minds, like by doing your quick mathematics problems, like number system, other things also, percentage. Fourth one, decision making and problem solving. Obviously you will get questions regarding your problem solving, decision making, it totally based on your reasoning. And fifth one is your general mental ability test, that includes your mathematical part. And last one, that is your basic numeracy. It does not require your higher education level mathematics. It only requires up to your class 10 level. So you do not need worry about CSAT, but my friends, you have to be very good at CSAT as well. So as per my perception, you can, if you are good at little bit good at your mathematics and comprehension, then you can prepare prior to examination in 1 month or 2 months. It will be okay. And if you are not good at these things, then you have to prepare for more than 3 or 4 months by taking your half an hour, 1 hour as per your skill. So this is my lecture about the syllabus of prelims examination, and in next video I would like to share you about the mains pattern examination, the marks distribution about mains paper and other things also. Thank you for watching this video.